Okay, a May and a June favorites video. Yeah, I messed up. A May favorites video. I was really busy. I've been doing a lot of traveling, which is one of my favorites. I've been traveling, giving you guys a lot of travel vlogs. I've been doing staycations, vacations, going out of the country twice. So I've just been like, you know, a girl on the move. I'm on the move, so I'm moving. What? My title, I'm moving. It's just me traveling. Anyways, ooh, Henny. Oh my God. Anyways, I'm not drinking. I haven't been drinking. So that's why I just said Henny. I'm just in a good mood. I'm happy. I am feeling good. I've been doing a lot of complaining vlogs lately, so I have changed my lifestyle and I am finally feeling really good. These are just two favorites videos combined. I feel like this Hello Titty shirt is making my titties look lopsided. Reality check, they actually are. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna start with my like, favorite of the month, and that is this. Jeffree Star. Oh, I don't know, wait, is that even drama anymore? Is Jeffree Star even drama anymore? Anyways, if it is or isn't, this is one of my favorites of the month. This is a Supreme Frost in caramel. Or do you say caramel or caramel? Caramel kiss. And it looks like this. I've had this for a long time. I think I got this in a mystery box. I get compliments all the time on this. All the time when I wear this. I just got my hair done. My friend just asked me, she's like, what highlighter are you wearing? I need it. And I said, it's the Jeffree Star one, and I said, I don't even know which one it is. I don't even know which one it is. People ask me all the time, so finally I almost dropped it. It's the Supreme Frost Caramel Kiss. Now, I think that is only in the surprise mystery boxes or whatever they were called. I think because I went onto the website and this is not on the website. There are Supreme Frost on the website, which I think I'm gonna purchase another one because I like it so much. But literally, everyone asks me, it doesn't really show up on camera that well. I don't know if you guys are seeing it, but I put it all over my chest. I put it all over my arms. In person, you can really see it. It's just like hard to pick up on camera. I put it on my nose. I put it on like shittily on my nose, so like whatever. I like this, and it doesn't even look, it looks like my nose is, I like make my nose look bigger with it. Honestly, now that's what everyone's gonna be focusing on. Oh my God. Fail! Sound the fail horn. Fail! Oh, Kate, like your tail can't be here. What is this? It looks like a worm. Only when I'm filming. Like, why don't you come hang out with me when I'm like doing my makeup? You leave the cage alone, Sophie. Like, literally, I leave little sprinklings of highlight wherever I go. I don't know, it's hard to pick up on camera, but literally in person, it like just glows. And it's this. That's my little secret. I just take a highlight brush and I like douse it all over my body. Okay, why are all the, like literally every animal I own is like in here. Did you see Cooper? Nobody likes me unless I'm filming. Pinksy? Oh my God, my peppers are ready. I'm gonna tell you about this and I'll go frickin' stir my peppers. Hey, it's better than saying my McDonald's is here, right? My peppers are probably burnt. I'm gonna go purchase another one of these. I don't know if it's just this color. So glittery. Literally, I leave glitter everywhere. It's all over Austin the second he comes home. Like, you hug one person, they're covered in glitter. So if you don't like highlights that like transfer glitter, do not get this. I just got my hair done. You know how they put that cape around you? Glitter all over it. Like, I glitter everywhere. Like, I leave glitter poops wherever I go. My poop probably has glitter in it at this point, so I'll go stir my peppers. My next big favorite of the month is this fan. Okay. Oh my God, Austin bought this. I have stolen it from him, straight up. I'll be like, where's my fan? Like, not even your fan. It started out with, where's your fan? To where's our fan? To where's the fan? To where's my fan? This is the greatest. Does it even have a brand? Me telling you guys something, and there's no brand name. Portable air conditioner fan. That's all it says. I don't even know where he got it. Okay, hold on. Editing Samantha is gonna tell you all about it. Or edit it, or somebody's gonna tell you about it right here.
So it is called a portable mini air conditioner fan. The brand is Shellac.
What the heck?
I think that's how you pronounce it.
Spell it.
S-H-A-A-L-E-K.
Shellac.
Or Shellac, I don't know, something like that. I got it off Amazon.
So yeah, there's the little infomercial. Not sponsored by anything here, by the way. It's like literally, okay, so it's cordless. Charge it up, bring it with you. Like I could like go to like Cuba and be like, I could go anywhere and be like, I could be on the sun, like in an outfit and be like, Like this, with a fan on. Oh! Or you can plug it in. It goes faster when you plug it in. That's what she said. And this place, I never do it because I always get Austin to do it. But it opens up here and then you can put cold water in there and like ice cubes. Like we were in Montana traveling. Like I said, one of my favorites was traveling. It was so hot one day. It was in like the 90s for like, okay, we operate in Celsius, but in Fahrenheit, it was in the 90s, so that's hot. Here, that's like 30s. And it's like extra cold and amazing. Like this thing is so amazing. So if you do not have a portable fan and like if you don't have air conditioning in your house, I have air conditioning in my house, but I still use that. It literally is a lifesaver and I love it so much. Like you can get them anywhere, like probably Walmart, Target, Canadian Tire, anywhere. For the summer, it's a must. Not even just that one, get any of them. Like I've had like fans before and they don't make me cold. They just blow my hair around. I'm like, what? Like literally it just like circles air. This one actually blows cold air. So I'm like, the next favorite are the lashes that everyone's been asking me about, and they are these. These are, okay, so many people have been asking me. I'm wearing them right now. So here's what they look like on and up close. They are so beautiful. Again, something that I've gotten a lot of compliments on in these last 2 months, and they are, drum roll please, lots of you guys are like, why haven't you been answering it? Because I like to do these favorites videos now, and I want to do one every month, so I'm kind of still on track. I don't know if you would consider that because I'm doing 2 in 1. I didn't really have a lot of favorites in May because I was like traveling so much, so that's why I'm combining these also. I loved these. These are, I'm gonna give you my secret, these are Kiss lashes, and they are the Lash Couture Luxe Extensions collection, and they are the specific Russian volume ones. These are beautiful. They look great with makeup looks, as you can see here, and they look good just like with no makeup. I've had like no makeup on before, and just plop these on. I hate this one piece of hair not curled. Like this is like, I love my hair right now, but that one piece is like bothering me. I'm gonna like just put it behind here so you guys don't see it. If it's bothering me, it's probably bothering you. So good. I can buy them at Walmart. That's where I find them. So if you see them, try them. Whenever I see these, I pick them up because sometimes they're sold out. I wish they sold these in big packs because these are such good. Like the band is so flexible and they just don't feel like you're wearing lashes. The band isn't like thick, so it's not like poking your eye. They are so good. So love those. Okay, next favorite is my hair. I went blonde these past 2 months and I love it. I just got it dyed today and I'm in love. And one thing that I have been extra loving with the hair, oh, why? Everyone says the same thing, so keep your opinions to yourself. I know that. I like being blonde. I like it. Do what you like, okay? You might look good wearing polka dot shoes, but maybe you don't like polka dot shoes, right? Olaplex. You guys were telling me to get Olaplex before when I was bleach blonde, when my hair was breaking, and I didn't know what that was, and I should have listened to you guys. Oh, I should have listened to you guys, but I know now. So this is what they look like. They're just simplistic little bottles. They look good in your shower as well. I mean, not that that matters at all, but like, it's just cute. I have more Olaplex things. Like I have a bond maintainer, I have a styling cream, stuff like that, but the shampoo and the conditioner are my favorites and they really have helped my hair. I can feel it. I can feel my hair like strong. My hair after getting bleached is still so strong and smooth. I don't have split ends. My hair is not breaking. If my hair does start to break though, I will just go brown. That's what my plan is, just to go like chocolate brown, which I hope that doesn't happen, but that is my plan. That's that. I tried to do like a little 1-2 movement. Olaplex. I always thought it was like a supplement you had to take or something like that. Like I thought it was like, I don't know what I thought it was. It's expensive, but being blonde is expensive. Being blonde is expensive. Ask somebody. The Fenty primer, I think I showed this in my last favorites video. This is the Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer. It's Fenty Beauty. It is so good. It makes my makeup last all day. It's actually hard to get it off at night, and it makes my skin looks really smooth, and it really like just, I don't know, it's like an airbrush almost. That's what it makes. Like this is like drugstore foundation, and this makes it look like Dior or something, I don't know. But this is good shit. Okay, along with hair, this Framar, what? Like, I don't know, Framar? Anyways, this hairbrush is really good. I just fake brushed my hair. Like that Millie girl, remember when she like, oh, that girl that plays 11, Millie Bobby Brown, is that what it is? Or she was doing a sponsored video, I forget what for, and it was like for skincare, and she's like, this is so good on my skin, and she like didn't even put any on. She's like, she went like this, she's like, it's so good on my skin. She wasn't even it on. Google it, TikTok it now. Nowadays you just say type it into TikTok, it'll be there. It's so funny to me. Like she's like, it's so good. That was like what I just did. I was like, this hairbrush is so good. This hairbrush is actually really good. It doesn't pull on hair. It was recommended to me from my hairstylist who specializes in blonde and platinum blonde. I love the color of it. See? Framer, what is it? I don't know. It's a wet dry brush too, so I could brush my hair while wet. I'm scared to do that. I don't know if anyone else is, even if they have a wet brush. Is anyone else like that? Stupid thing to be scared of. I should be scared of like, I don't know, a tower collapsing or something like that on me as I'm walking by or something. Not a hairbrush. So it is a wet brush. I can use it on my hair wet, but I just use it on my hair dry. It's really good for blonde hair. It's very gentle. Okay, the last product here, and then we'll go into the thing I hated of the month. This I've had for so long. This is the Natasha Denona Mini Nude Palette. It's so old, but honestly, because of traveling, it's so little. It has so many different colors. If you want nude, if you want smoky, if you just want a sparkly look, just an inner corner look, like a crease look too. It has like every color. This is so good. It's expensive for what it is, in my opinion, but it's worth it. Natasha Denona, all of her shadows, in my opinion, are like so easily blendable. Mine is like so filthy, but I wish I was one of those beauty gurus. I'm not, so I have dirty makeup because it's realistic, like like I'm using it, right? I'm like blending and stuff, but it's so small and compact, like it can literally fit anywhere. Oh, that didn't look right, that motion. I was like, it can fit anywhere. Moving on. The last thing I like of the month, I went downstairs to get it out of the fridge and I realized Austin ate it all. What, when I was sleeping? Like, where was I? So it is, and I'm gonna go get it tomorrow. I'm gonna add it into this vlog here as I'm talking. It's this. It's this honey dill dipping sauce. I got it at Superstore. So this is the brand. This is what it is. I don't know because I'm just sitting here talking, but that is what it was. That's what it is. I need to go get some tomorrow while I'm making him pay for it. So I'll be like, you ate it all. You pay for it. Yum. There you go. Just kidding, I buy it. I'm just kidding. It is the best honey dill dipping sauce I've ever had on chicken. Like, I literally, like, it's so good. Now the thing I hated of the month, which used to be one of my favorite things. Back in the day, me and my mom used to always use this. This is like a loved mascara by so many people. I tried it again recently because I was buying that honey dill dipping sauce at Superstore and this was there. I was like, oh, I need mascara. Grabbed it. Worst decision. This gets everywhere, all over. I don't know if they changed the formula. I don't know if I'm messy at applicating now. I don't know what it is, but this did not work for me this time. I don't know if it was just this one. I don't know if anything changed. Don't know. I don't know. All I know is I didn't like it. Didn't like it at all. I don't know. It was barely showing up on my lashes. It looked like I wasn't wearing any lashes. When I was wearing no makeup, I just put a little bit of this on. And when I wear any other mascara, it elongates my lashes. This just made them look straight, like sticking straight out. And like, it didn't even give them any blackness to them. Like any thickness, darkness, any kind of mascara, or I don't want to say gloopiness because that's not what I mean, but like, you know, like here's a lash, and then you put mascara on. Thickness, right? It didn't look like there was anything on it. So I was like, ew, like, I don't know. Anyways, I'll just show it to you. Oh, it's called Great Lash by Maybelline. I don't know, did this change? I don't know. For those, I don't know. I just feel like even the wand looks like, honestly, like dollar store quality now, and I feel so sad because I used to love this. I don't know if it changed or if I changed. I probably changed. Okay, so my favorite song of the month, I've been listening to a lot of Panic at the Disco. That's my old like teenage moment. I've just been listening to a lot of Panic at the Disco and a lot of old school. So the song I've been listening to the most is There's a Good Reason These Tables Are Numbered, Honey. You just haven't thought of it yet. I know it's a really long name, but that's like, I like literally can't stop listening to that song. It's like on repeat. My favorite movie of the month is Swallow. I got horror movie recommendations from you guys. Ow! Watch it. It's a good one. That one's such a good one. Thank you so much to whoever recommended that. I think 3 of you recommended that to me. I saw it multiple times. And then my favorite show of the month is Intervention. I've been like obsessed. I've been watching like every episode. That was it. Those are all my favorites. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye!